there they were. There were 3 of them. I saw the other pumper go actually, because they probably didn't need 2 fire trucks. They probably need well, they need only 2, not 3. And fuck man, I'm pretty damn positive it had a Detroit diesel in it. It sounded a bit like this, but I'm not sure. Saw it very quick. Because they're very cheap there. Holy shit. I don't know if the ladder's still there, probably. Didn't see it going or anything. Holy shit, there were 4 of them actually. There's the ladder. Holy fuck. There's the fire chief. Holy shit, what the fuck is this? There were actually 4 fire trucks responding. Maybe even more of them. I only saw 3 of them. And I saw 1 pumper go without flashing lights, so... Okay, so... There we are. Say, anyone there? So probably somewhere over there. Or over there, I don't know, in some apartment buildings. There's another one. It just looks a bit different. Probably anyone too, yeah. Anyone too. Damn, man. That's something you don't see every day in Laval, actually. Really not. It's really damn rare to see this kind of action here. I'm surprised there's no police around, actually. But man, I'm fucking pissed, you know. Fuck. I'm fucking sure there was a Detroit diesel going. We'll go see that ladder, actually. I don't know if I can go close, but we'll see. Oh, there's the MCI there. Last model they made for this Carbon. Let's go see that ladder. There it is, it stopped responding. They're probably gonna head back towards the station. I'm not gonna go too close because they got shit to do. They're all around it, so I'm not gonna bother them. I'm just gonna wait for them to go back. Maybe there's another one with a Detroit, but I didn't hear any Detroit diesel. But I'm pretty damn sure the pumper that I did not film had a Detroit. Pretty damn sure. It really sounded like it, but as I said, you know, it was very quick. So I don't know what they're doing. I think they're gonna head back. We'll see. Chief. I guess this light is very bright. Real nice truck. 122. I don't know what happened actually. Probably not that very important. He stopped flashing. Alright, so I'm just gonna see if they go and come backing up. And they got some balls, man, to back up there. I know the truck is big, it can be seen very well, but you know, there's always some idiot texting and driving or some shit. You never know. Well, they have to back up anyway, so even if they didn't have balls, they would have to grow some balls, I guess. There's the ladder going in the horizon.